These are heavy. So I got a couple candles, a few candles. I got some candles for my spring summer refresh for my home from Beluspa. My favorite candles. And let's open them. Found my box opener too. I really love these candles because they burn really well and they smell amazing, honestly. And I'm really picky. Oh my gosh, it smells so good already. And the other thing I really love about them is they really are good about giving you samples, um, especially when you're ordering candles online. Fragrance in general, I'm just so leery about like ordering something I don't know how it smells, and so it's really great that they'll give you like samples of different things. This one, I think I'm getting a bath bomb. Oh my gosh, this is why it's heavy. Wow, what did I order? Anything else in there? Okay. Oh, so this one is the large glass jar. I really like this. I think everything I put next to in front of my fireplace, in front of my hearth. Um, but yeah, so this is all for the fireplace candles. Any candles other places too. That's a really nice box. I love packaging. Because I usually, if I have to get a refresh of these guys in person, I'll go to an Anthropologie. Um, but I'm like, okay, the one thing I don't like about these candles are the lids. Like when you get them in the store, they're like kind of wobbly. So I do like that they put this little paper on here, and I understand like why they aren't perfect lids. You just want it for a snuffer. Their jars are so pretty. The big ones, I'll show you. I keep the big ones and I reuse them for planters outside because they're really pretty. Now this one is Blonde Tabak. Tabak. Am I saying that right? Whatever. Is warm Tabak, vanilla husk, and sandalwood. I like this one. Let me see if I can describe it to you. I don't really get really strong vanilla. It has a like a clean, sea breezy smell mixed with the sweetness of kind of like I guess that's where the vanilla is. But I really like this because in the fall, winter, I kind of do like a warmer, a little bit of gourmand, woodsy smells, and in the spring, summer, I like breezy, fresh smelling things. You'll see with the other candles, but I really don't burn candles as much in the summer, so in spring, as I do in the winter. So these will last a while. Box, box cutter. Now all these, truth be told, I know that I like them, I get them, so I think I've now probably got these 2 cents for at least over 5 years, 5, 6 years. This one is another large one because they're going by the fireplace. They're gonna be big. Casa Pacifica. I love this one. This is like my. Oh, I think this will always remind me of like California summer, and by California summer I mean like September and May because in the Bay Area it's cold in August and July. This one's a 3 candle. Once again, that kind of like speckly mercury glass. I love it. I should keep. I mean, this one actually, I don't think I've got this format before. This one will be great as a pot. Like, look, you have no marking on it. You feel bad if you don't reuse this. And the inside is mirrored, so once it all burns down, like even if you just wanted to put a candle inside of it and use this as a oh, I can't think of the name right now. A hurricane, I think that's what you call it. You put that in there. Whatever. It smells great. Got that lid again. Or you could just keep the. I mean, you could probably take this off and just keep this as a really pretty jar. This is a nice jar. Like these jars together. You see? You see it? You like that? You see it? And I feel like I'm missing something. Oh no, they're in here. Um, I love these hearth candles. I love these hearth candles. I've probably been ordering these two for 5 or 6 years. And truth be told, I think like the first couple I probably like dumbly throughout, and I didn't think about saving them. I don't know why. I recycle so much stuff. But now I just keep these. They're great. Like I think I saw them post something about use it as a champagne bucket. That would be a great idea. Because the other thing about these candles are they burn all the way down. Hold on, I'll show you. I'm not lying. I love these candles. And the great thing about this, they burn pretty clean. There's a little bit around the rim, you know what I mean? There's like a little bit of this, but if you look how deep this is to the bottom. This is extra. This is the bottom. The wick really burns just about all this candle. So the smaller candles, I'll put the candle in the freezer because usually there's more girth to the bottom and it makes the wax contract. And then so you can kind of like pull the disc out. A lot of times with this, I'll just put like boil some water, some tea kettle water or something, and put the boiled water in here, clean it out, and wash it out a little bit. And then I put rocks in the bottom, threw some succulents in it. Fabulous. And this is like I would say, oh, okay, here's something cool about this. I mean, that's nice because it's really heavy. So here's my spring scent, and I just have it down. I have it down for what I need. It's balsamic amber in the winter. This stuff smells yummy. It says it's amber resin, sandalwood, and vanilla orchid. I don't know. It smells really sweet, woodsy, especially when I have like a wood burning fire going and I have this. Mm, delicious. So there's the lip to this. And for my spring summer, I did have a sample over there because I might try something different. But I got my standard, and that is French Cade Lavender. It is French Cade Wood Verbena Bulgarian Lavender. Baby, this smells so good. This smells, this would go great in the bathroom. This would go great, I mean, it goes great in the living room because it kind of makes other scents. And I really go for like herbaceous, like I said, like kind of coastal breezy smell. So this is like herbaceous, but also has kind of like the little woodsy. Um, I love it. But this is a great scent closet for the, if you got the read format, putting this in your closet, good choice, good choice. And don't they all look so nice together? Can you see these? We have some, uh, yeah, you know what I mean? Like, they look nice. I think, like, I'll post a supplement, but, like, I think that's gonna go on one side. This is gonna go on another side with that accent coming from. So here are the other things I got. Okay, they were really cutesy with the samples this time. So when I don't know with this brand, when I don't know what something smells like, I will just get like a small format, and then tip trick for me to you. Um, I'll put these a lot of times, like even if it's not my favorite scent, I will pack these in my carry-on and take them on to my hotel or to my Airbnb or whatever. And so you have a little bit of home with you. This smells great. I didn't say what it was. This is Mediterranean lemon, and this is a big yes for me. This is like a kitchen story. This is once again wherever we just put the French Cade. I could put this there too. I could put this in the restroom. I could put this in the closet. Uh, I could put this in the living room too. This is great. This is it's got a really. They used to have a lime smell, and it was amazing, and they don't have it anymore. This kind of smells like that, but then has a sweetness and has a slight floral. It is a. Oh, it doesn't say like whatever the blend on the small one is like blah blah blah. It just says Mediterranean lemon. But yeah, this one's really nice. I like this. It's just it's not super strong. It has almost a little bit of creamy in there, but first that strong citrus and herb, and then just like a linger of creamy and floral. This is really great. The thing about these lids are they actually, come on, girlfriend, prove me right. Well, they go on and they stay on better. Oh, the other thing I love about these two is it's coconut wax. And some candles, even some luxury ones, one brand I'm not buying anymore, not gonna clown them, but they tunnel way too much. And so when you're spending, on a what would this be like a 16-ounce candle, or 20 ounce candle, and you're spending 50 plus on it, it better not tunnel. This smells great, Mediterranean lemon. And then what was the other one I tried? And then they gave me a sample one of one I was actually gonna get to try. I was like, oh, well, I'll just get the sample size. This one is California Summers. This is another one that came out. I think this one came out in like January or February. Something. I was like, girl, it is not summer, but I see what you're doing. You're getting us ready. I don't think the small format tells us like what the blend inspiration is, but you can look on the websites. Hear that pop? Hear that snap? St. Bart's scent. Hear me out. The St. Bart scent from Boy, the hair brand. If you know, you know. They kind of have a they have a scrub and they have like body wash. It's a scent. It's really good. That's what this smells like. It smells really similar. This smells. I would want this. This is like a snack candle for me. I would get this in a small, maybe a little smaller than that size. I would probably get this in a small size because some candles are like that. Like you enjoy them, but too much. Like I have one from Boy Smells, and it's a vanilla era. It smells great. I even bought it in the perfume, but too much of it. Like I'll light the candle in unison with the other candles, but that candle gets snuffed significantly quicker because it's a lot. This one's not super a lot, but it kind of I, I question to say, but it kind of smells like some people love that. It smells kind of like a beach suntan lotion. You know what I mean? That smell, but elevated. Not doesn't have that cheap sweetness of a what do we copper tone or like that summer smell, that summer beach coconutty, pineapple-y, whatever they put in there. But this has some of that. Once again, it has a powder. The first note is that kick of like beach summer. Like this is summer. This smells like a summer. I would do this being bougie outside at a dinner. I'm like, what is that smell? Oh, it's the candle burning right there. Or this is really good. Once again, a kitchen smell after cooking. This definitely will vibe the house out, vibe the boots the house down. Okay, this one's good. I would buy her again. And then I was gonna try. They have lavender cade, but now they have mountain lavender chamomile. So I was like, okay, girl, am I gonna have to switch? Am I gonna have to switch? Yeah, once again, the smalls don't give the inspiration. Oh no, this one is really light. We're doing really good here. I mean, not to say really light is bad, but the throw, we'll have to see what the throw is. But the smell just off the nose is very light. I barely, probably too. I need some coffee bean or something because I've been smelling all these candles. But I can't really smell much. I'm glad I got a sample of it. And then they gave me the same scent. Once again, this is going to go in the toiletries. Things like this are great for when you're in a luxurious hotel bath or Airbnb bath. But this is a block bath salt. Block. I don't really see block much. And it looks like, okay, this one, okay, it's the same scent. This one I smell, and actually it just has a really true lavender. It's just very true lavender smell. Bath soap. Yeah, 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 da, 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 what's in here? Um, Lavender oil. I like to see what's in the bath soaps, like anything beneficial. Just a lot of oil extracts, which is nice. Chamomile. Really nice packaging. I love packaging. I think, yeah, I think there's like little bits, plant or something in there. I don't know. It's cute. It's cute. And then I was like, okay, this is a big sample, y'all. Once again, too, I love this scent. No, this is Blanc Talc. This is Suede Blanc. This one I'll get in the fall time. I've never tried their hand. This is why you do this stuff. I've never tried their hand lotions, but for a 15 ounce, like a full lotion, you guys are really trying to give the first hit free. Because if it's good, I'll buy it. The bottle's nice. I'm really picky with things like that. Maybe if they had a smaller hand lotion. I have my bathroom and my kitchen lotions down. Like I have sets of the same thing, and even Embrace's bathroom. But it's really great. This one, dare I say, this one's kind of masculine a little bit. It's got. Can you tell me something nice about this? Is notes of buttery suede leather. That's a masculine. Amber and cedar. Very, very yeah. So, um, if you are the wife type with a male suitor, you could get this lotion and probably convince them to moisturize their calloused hands because it smells nice. And you'd smell nice with anyone smell nice with this. You know what? Is it open already? Oh, that could have ended really bad. This was the pump was open already. Okay, I'm weird. I usually like to put my lotion like this, like on top of my hands, and then because of this, because I go oh, oh, oh. So you get on both sides. Lotion tube. The scent throw, because I'm so used to their candles, I never had. I think they make hand wash too, maybe. And I'll get their reed diffusers, but I've never got their lotion. The scent throw is it's a lot of parfum for me, but I think because I tend to like my lotions to be like herbaceous or like complementary, this is like a main scent smell. So um, definitely give this to your man if he doesn't wear lotion because he's gonna smell really good. And if you have this, I would balance it with a floral fruity fragrance so that you have this like base note. Like if you're to do the body hand thing, you're gonna go out over, you have like this base note of woodsiness, like a strongness, and then something floral for you to pick it up because it is really heavy. I don't mind. Oh, here we go. It says sandalwood, amber, patchouli, patchouli, tonka. Oh, hold on, let me read it correctly. Here it says, wrapped up in a well-worn, buttery, soft suede leather, rich cedar, sandalwood, amber, patchouli, and tonka. Ooh la la. I definitely, now that I'm reading all that, I'm like, yes, I get all of that. It's just a very, this is masculine. This is masculine as fudge. Very manly smell. Compared to what I got here, very herbaceous, slight floral, breezy tones, uh, sea salt, just that kind of like light. Because it's the spring summer, I never. First of all, I don't light the candles that much in the house, and when I do, I don't. You don't want like a heavy scent, like especially when it's warm, hot. Like it almost adds to the ambiance. Like I'll even have my lights cooler, like I have color changing lights, and you have a cooler scent. So there are all these things that kind of like naturally relax your mind and your body. And I think in the wintertime, it's relaxing to have these heavy, warming scents when it's cold out. It's enveloping you. They're strong, warming. This is breezy and cool. You get what I'm saying, girl. We'll put you in the closet until I need you. It's a nice gift. So that was my haul from Balusta. Um, yeah, favorite candle. I should do a roundup. Would you watch a roundup of my favorite candle brands? I have some thoughts. I have some opinions, and I have some delusion. Anyways, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.